Hello, welcome back to my channel Lifeaholic. My name is Anupama and wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Now, Ganesh Chaturthi is such a happy and positive time of the year. महाराष्ट्र में तो गणेश चतुर्थी बहुत ही धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है and in different parts of the country it is celebrated in their own ways. But one thing which गणेश चतुर्थी में बहुत ज़्यादा important and essential है is मोदक. We just can't have enough of मोदक during this time of the year. इतने amazing, इतने tasty मोदक रहते हैं कि sometimes you end up having मोदक for breakfast, lunch and dinner at this time. पेट भर जाता है but मन नहीं भरता. So I thought कि इस week let's do a video on मोदक. I mean क्लासिक मोदक तो है ही, वो जो राइस फ्लावर के कोटिंग में जैगरी एंड कोकोनट का जो फिलिंग रहता है दैट इज तो अमेजिंग. इट्स अ क्लासिक, ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अनटचेबल, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट there have been a lot of different fun variants of modak that have come into picture. I thought let me show you guys some different unique kinds of modak that a lot of people are making. I had recently joined this Facebook community called Home Chef, which connects home chefs with foodies like me, and I had come across so many home chefs over there who make such unique kinds of modak. I mean वो concepts ऐसे थे कि मैं सोच भी नहीं सकती थी कि ऐसा कुछ possible भी है. So I decided कि that's it, I need to make a video on this. Stick around, you want to watch this video because it's going to be super interesting and it's going to blow your mind. Also towards the end of this video I'm going to be showing a very unique concept of modak for people who are busy and they don't have enough time to make it, or for people like me who just love eating modak but at the same time don't want to go through the whole process of making it. It is going to be something where you make the modak but at the same time you don't make the modak. Did you get it? No? Stick around till the end of the video to find out what that is. But before that, please do give a thumbs up to this video and please do subscribe to my channel by clicking that red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. Let's go. स्टार्ट. मेरे सामने बहुत सारे मोदक रखे हुए हैं एंड बहुत ही टेम्पटिंग लग रहा है. इट्स लुकिंग सो कलरफुल एज वेल. आई एम गोइंग टू हैव ऑल द मोदक, share all the information with you guys. So first let's start with Oreo modak. Oreo is something which is like everybody's favorite and this is by Blaze Treats. वहाँ पे होम शेफ है Tressa Rajiv. She makes dark chocolate Oreo modak, white chocolate, milk chocolate. I have dark chocolate with me. She also makes layered chocolate as well. तो मैंने एक ही वो मंगवाया है and let me just taste and see. Looking so yummy. It's quite mild, but at the same time it's dark chocolate, so it's not too sweet. And surprised कि ऐसा कुछ बनता भी है. It's actually mixed with the dark chocolate and it's giving a amazing taste. Highly recommend, because since it's dark chocolate it's not too sweet, so you can eat more than one and for sure it's going to be a hit amongst kids. The next home chef has made some very interesting modak. I'm telling you, you wouldn't have even thought of it. It is that amazing and also it looks wonderful. It looks so colorful. It is by Inspirife. इसमें Sunil Chavan makes these amazing modak and his wife Swara Chavan, she is actually taking baking classes for special children. How amazing is that? I mean, and उनके मोदक जो है वो बहुत ही yummy लग रहे हैं. So there are many assorted modak that they have sent me. This one is the caramel. This one is lemon crunch. This one is bubblegum flavored and this one is cotton candy. I mean, कैन यू बिलीव इट, ये सब फ्लेवर्स एग्जिस्ट करते हैं मोदक में. एंड शी हैज ऑल्सो सेंड मावा मोदक. एंड अगर ये सब मोदक खाने के बाद थोड़ा सा पान हो जाए, दिस इज पान मसाला मोदक. I mean, who would have thought? Like, who would have thought? I'm telling you now, you are going to be mind blown with this video. So I'm going to dig into this right now. So yummy. ये जो कैरमल है, इसके सेंटर में हल्का सा they have kept the caramel a little liquidy. When you eat into it, that liquid caramel का amazing taste आ रहा है. Lemon one is super crunchy. It's just like melt in your mouth. Lemon is not overpowering at all. I mean, that's what I was a little skeptical about कि lemon ज़्यादा है तो you know उसका एक hit आ जाता है and it spoils the whole taste. But lemon का just flavor है. It is not too much, but at the same time, काफी है lemon. And center में they have put some kind of a liquidy, gooey, some stuff like amazing it tastes. Cotton candy and bubblegum modak. जितना यूनिक नाम था उतना यूनिक टेस्ट भी था. बिकॉज बचपन की याद दिला दी यार. व्हेन आई हैड कॉटन कैंडी, जब हम बबल गम खाते थे, इट इज सो नाइस. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज ऑल दिस मोदक इज जस्ट मेल्ट इन द माउथ एंड ऑल द मोदक हैव अ सरप्राइज सेंटर एंड amazing. Now I'm going to taste their mawa modak and the pan masala modak. Not too sweet. That's the best part. खा सकते हैं. You can actually even have more than one, and it has a nice texture which I really liked. Now I'm so curious to have the pan masala modak. I mean, look at this, guys. ये जो कलर है, मतलब this is the Lifeaholic का कलर and I just simply love this green. Okay, so this is pan masala modak with coconut base. Coconut का बहुत ही अच्छा टेस्ट आ रहा है. If you are a fan of coconut like I am, because I'm a South Indian, of course coconut, you will love this. You will simply love this. इसके सेंटर में वो जो स्वीट पान का फिलिंग आता है, सेम फिलिंग दिया हुआ है and it actually feels like कि मैं कोई मील के बाद मीठा पान खाती हूँ, वैसा ही फीलिंग आ रहा है. It's just so tasty. Next is by Pizzasta Fusion Treat. Anushri is the home chef and she has given me some yummy modak. Now this is steamed modak. But the steamed modak, it's flavored. There is mango flavored, pineapple flavored and gulkan flavored. And gulkan flavored looks so yummy. I mean, उसके ऊपर rose का petals डाला हुआ. It's looking very tempting. I thought कि mango modak मतलब outer जो covering है of rice flour, they would have just mixed a little bit of mango flavor in that. But that's not true. जो अंदर filling है, that also has mango in it. If you are a mango lover, you're gonna love this. You're just gonna simply fall in love with this. And I'm just actually waiting for Sahil to taste this because he's a big time mango lover. I'm sure कि बाकी जितने भी mango मोदक है हमारे पास, वो पूरा का पूरा बैठ के वो ही खत्म करने वाला है. Now I'm gonna taste the pineapple modak. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of pineapple, so I was a little bit skeptical कि pineapple मोदक मुझे पसंद आएगा कि नहीं. But it has a very हल्का taste of pineapple, so it's not like pineapple in your face. ये filling में pineapple flavor भी है, but at the same time थोड़ा सा pineapple chunks भी डाला है, which is not really big, so you can actually keep eating them. And this is really a surprise for me because I don't like pineapple at all. This is the kind of pineapple that I can keep having. Now let's taste the Gulkand one. This one again, Gulkand का फ्लेवर इज़ नॉट बहुत ज़्यादा तो हिट नहीं कर रहा है. This is what I like the best about this Pizzazz fusion treat is that जो भी flavors है बहुत ही mild है, like it's well balanced. It's not too overpowering, but at the same time you can really enjoy it. It's not like कि तुमको ढूंढना पड़ेगा कि वो flavor किधर है. Rose का छोटा छोटा petals डाला है on top of it, and it looks so cute. Next we have modak from Neha's Weekend Kitchen by Neha Joshi, and she has sent dry fruit modak, gulkan modak and dates modak. All three of them look super yummy, and I'm just going to dive into it straight away. So first I'm going to taste dry fruit modak. So जो covering है that is milk based, and जो filling है what they've done is that जो dry fruits है उसको थोड़ा सा grind करके डाला हुआ है. So you are getting a little bit of those pieces, but at the same time it's just super yummy. Next I'm going to taste dates modak. Again milk based covering, and जैसे dates होता है it's slightly sticky in the center, so it's that proper dates से बना हुआ है. It's so yummy. Beautiful it is. These modak are a little bit on the sweeter side, so if you have a sweet tooth, you are really going to enjoy these. And what I'm going to do is that my father and my father-in-law both are like sweet addicts, so I'm going to actually send all this to them. They are really going to absolutely enjoy eating these. And now last but not the least, as I said, there is a very unique concept of modak. Now this is something I heard for the first time. I like to eat modak, but at the same time modak banana is a kala, it's an art which takes a long time to learn and develop. So there is actually something called as frozen modak. Yes, frozen ready to eat food जैसा frozen modak मैंने कभी नहीं सुना था. I got to know about this frozen modak का concept through Seema Atanikar from Pure Foods, and she markets this frozen modak made by Pedekar Pickles and Spices. I'm blown away with this concept. The process of steaming these frozen modak is as simple as any of your ready to eat food. What you need to do is that you need to take a steamer, or you can actually make it in your pressure cooker without the whistle. So what we did was we used our steamer के ऊपर हल्का सा तेल डाल दिया ताकि वो चिपके ना. उसके ऊपर हमने मोदक रखा. मोदक रखने से पहले you need to wash the modak a little bit and then put it on the steamer. Steam it for 15 minutes and it's ready to eat. This modak is the traditional steamed modak, which here it is called the ukdiche modak. One of my Maharashtrian friend told me the right way to eat this modak is, I'll show you. You need to open the modak a little bit so that andar ka filling is visible. Then pour in a little bit of desi ghee and then have your modak with the ghee. जो क्लासिक मोदक है that stands in its place. If in case you guys are falling in that category of people who want modak but can't make modak type, then this is one very good option that you can go for. Overall, I'm just mind blown having all this modak. I mean, these home chefs are so talented and so creative for coming up with these ideas. The kind of effort that they do in making all this and spreading a lot of positivity and joy is just amazing. And plus, ordering from home chef is like घर का खाना, it's a very दिल से kind of food. And a special shout out to Prajakti from Home Chef. If in case you want to order from any of the home chefs that I have shown you now, or you want to order from someone else, or you just want to explore, you are a foodie like me, you can join her community. The links are going to be in the description box. Prajakti has taken so much of efforts. She's made my work so easier for me. I absolutely enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys also enjoyed today's video. If you did, you guys know what to do. You need to hit like on this video and subscribe to my channel by clicking that red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. And hope you guys have an amazing Ganesh Chaturthi and lots of modak. Until we meet again next time, stay tuned. Bye.